25 litre drum sawdust burner. That's like a 1 litre golf tube or a pick of smoke. Inside there's a copper pipe coiled inside it. So what happens, it draws cold water from that, goes all the way around the pipe, inside the burner, where there's another coil pipe, up, out of that, back into that, and it goes to 2 pumps that's here. One of them does the just the boiler, and the other one that does the radiators. But the boiler one, at first when you light it up, you set it at 7.5 volts, so it goes slow, warms up rapid. Then after about an hour you put it to 9, and then another hour, 12, and then I've got a more powerful pump, but after that it just boils. And you go in here, the kitchen's full of mud. It's a work in progress. And there you have it, radiator. Well, I'm working on it. That's his stage 1.